YouTube, what is up, boys? It is your boy Grant back with another video for you guys. Got some more mods for the F10. I know it's been a little while. Of course, we got the M Sport bumper on now, but we got some more mods that came in. Your boy's been a little bit busy. I've been trying to not only focus on the car, but also focus on general health as well. So one of the main things I've been working on is putting myself together a home garage. So that's what we're going to be able to knock out some workouts and with COVID going on. Shout out to Moses Experience if you guys haven't saw his channel, but that dude's a trainer. I might have to reach out to you, Moses. I got to get some good routines going. But as far as the car is concerned, I got some cool things that came in. So we're gonna flip the camera around, get on the dirty workbench, show you guys what we have today, and then we'll see what we can get knocked out. Okay, guys, back on the dirty workbench. So 2 packages showed up today. One of them is, of course, something we had to do with the new M Sport bumper change. I did not go with LED fogs. We actually went with bumper covers. So we're going to do a Foglight delete, install these delete covers, and we'll be ready to rock and roll on that new front bumper. That's going to look real nice and clean. And I think Austin's trying to get in the camera right now. Hold on. All right, Austin. Why don't you go ahead and tell everybody hi? There you go.
Hi.
If you haven't seen Austin in a while, he is definitely 6 years old, lost his 2 front teeth. So we're back. Okay. So we got that out of the way. That box is gone. The next thing that came in was actually something that one of the guys that watches the channel, as well as he's on Instagram, follows me. So he reached out to me. He purchased these carbon fiber style mirror caps for his F10. Apparently he has, I think his is an LCI with the LED strip below. But we've got some nice carbon fiber style mirror caps. That's gonna look really, really nice. Hopefully that's showing up in the camera well, but that's gonna look real, real nice. Got a really good deal on this. So shout out to you, Ralph. Appreciate you guys, appreciate you watching the channel and hooking me up here. And we're gonna go ahead and get these installed as well too. So some really cool, quick exterior mods for the F10. We're gonna jump into that now.
What are those?
Okay, so to get these mirror caps off, what we're going to do is, of course, we've got ourselves a trim tool. We're going to try to actually get underneath each section around the actual mirror. So that's even further down here on the sides, all the way around. And what you're trying to do is actually kind of release that plastic all the way underneath, and to release that pry that plastic up and get that to pop off. So I'm going to put the camera on a tripod and see if we can't get that done. Okay, so of course, the key here is, of course, going to be taking your time. This is not something you want to rush through. We definitely don't want to break anything, especially our mirror. But again, we're just going to get in here and you'll hear some popping. But as long as you're being gentle, you should be good. So we're just going to, like I say, just kind of pry this up and all the way around and below. See if we can get this to pop off. And there we go. You'll notice on the cover is, on the cover itself, you have some tabs that show up here, 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 there. So you can see those tabs. Those are actually what is actually clicking in place. So, and we'll bring you in on the back side of the mirror.
Here, and...
Yeah, Austin, move your head. So there we go. That's a good view there. You'll see the clips right in here. Okay, yeah. And all of those still look good, so didn't have any issues there. And we're just gonna go ahead and get the new mirror fitted on. Okay. And just as a visual inspection, all of the sections actually on this this mirror cap does actually look to be really good quality. All those clips or those mounting spots all mount up to the at the right spots. So we should be able to easily get this to mount back on. What I am gonna do real quick before I mount it though, I'm gonna take a rag and just wipe that down because it is a little dirty.
Is it raining or something?
No, it's not raining, just real windy.
And Gabby's probably getting a lot of wind. Well, she's outside.
I was looking good. We got a clip here, so just be mindful. There's a little clip that you have to kind of put the mirror under on this side, so we're going to try to see if we can't do that again. There we go. All right, and there's our finished product. And just to make sure that we don't have any issues with closing. Okay, so we're gonna try. All right, so there we go. We can see that there's no issues with clearance or anything like that. Austin, please back up. Okay, that is good. So we'll just move on to the next side. Okay, so now we got that passenger side. Again, we're just gonna reach in here with our pick tool. Start trying to separate these two pieces. Okay, so as we're going through here, this is the actual tab that I was referring to on the other side. I just had to grab my little pick tool and lift that up as I was setting the mirror cover on. We want to make sure that it actually, you see that little section there, it's going to slide into that spot. So we'll do that now. That's going to be a little bit difficult for me to record on camera, so we're going to put you back on the stand, but just want to kind of show you what we're looking at is this little tab here that we're having to lift up. So there we go. Mirror cap installed. See a very nice seam there. All that looks real nice and clean. Looks like a stock seam coming down the top. So I'm really digging the way that looks. So we're gonna push the car back a little bit now and see if we can't get the vents going in. So the install on these vent covers should be pretty much straightforward. They just really should just click right into place. So we're gonna see if we can't get that to install. I can tell you already, I'm already liking the way that this is gonna look. Just actually had to pull the tab out a little bit and to get it to slide over the side cover. So that side's good, and we're just gonna slap the other one on as well too. I think we might try working from the inside this time. There we go. Okay, that one slid right into place. So we are good to go. All right, boys, I'm digging that. So, Foglight deletes. And for anybody wondering, yes, we do get snow in Oklahoma. So the other day we got about 3 or 4 inches. So now the snow is melted. But there we go. I'm really liking those mirror caps as well. Yeah, it just makes the car look just mean. Guys, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So, future mods, I still want to do a front lip. I think that's going to be just really nice. I'm on the fence yet on whether or not I want to go to the dual slat grills. We've got spacers that should be in the mail, so that should be coming to get that stance looking a lot better. And some other little mods that will guys can maybe surprise you with, just little minor stuff. hopefully this was a shorter video. Guys, drop some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of the new mirror caps as well as the Foglight deletes. I'm really digging them. Hopefully you guys are as well. I've got some more content coming for you guys. Make sure that if this is your first time to the channel that you like and subscribe. Have lots of videos out there already. If you can see, actually back here on the TV behind me, that's actually the channel there. So more videos out there. You can go through the library, check those out. But this is one more for you guys, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. You guys be safe. We'll see you next time.